Hi, this is Brandon McNeil for Fastest Television. We're in Majeska Canyon, one of the many canyons being hit hard by this succession of storms. As you can see below me, the creeks are starting to overflow with large amounts of debris and rocks being thrust down. There is large amounts of mud being flooded into the streets as well. County workers are trying very hard to shovel it off the roads with the help of big equipment to maybe get some sort of road clear for these residents. Majeska Canyon is one of the many canyons that might have to be evacuated if the storm continues to get worse. There are many elderly people residing in the canyons, and if it came to that, there would be a problem trying to move them from the canyons out to an evacuation center. Right now we are stuck here. The roads are closed all along Santiago Canyon Road without water and without further notice of when it will come back. So all we can do is sit tight and wait for the storm to hopefully let up. We'll keep you informed on how the situation develops.